Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the tools and safety done so nothing surprises you. Disconnect the negative battery terminal now because you'll be working near wiring. Once done, fold the rear seats and pull a few fasteners to drop the trunk liner. This exposes the tailgate camera area. While you work, keep fasteners grouped and use a trim pry to avoid damage. You want clear access to the camera housing and wiring harness before removing any screws or connectors. Now you remove the old camera assembly step by step, which is where attention matters. Unscrew the camera mounting bolts, use a 10 mm socket and set them aside. Once the housing is loose, gently depress the harness locking clip and pull the connector straight out. Twisting can damage pins. Inspect the camera bracket and rubber gasket. If the new unit differs, transfer the bracket or seal so alignment and water protection remain intact. This prevents leaks and ensures you install the replacement by reversing removal, but do it deliberately. Seat the camera and hand start bolts, then snug them. Avoid over-tightening to protect plastic. Reconnect the harness, and then reconnect the negative battery to power up the system for a quick test. Shift to reverse or use the infotainment test mode to confirm image and angle. Once satisfied, disconnect battery again, resecure the trunk liner and fasteners, then reconnect battery. If the image is blank, check the harness clip seating and fuse first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.